lovely kids, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you? I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Already you have known about me because I took your English class before. Today again I am going to take your English class. Now, welcome to you all to our today's online class. But at first, I am introducing about myself. This is your Mariam Sultana Miss, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 7, Class 2. Now, dear students, your exam is near. So, what should you do now? Yes, you should study a lot at home and you should practice the book work and you will write the dialogue paragraph at home. Today, I will see who are studying at home by asking the question answer from your previous lesson. Today, I will see that. Now, dear students, get ready to give the question answer. From our previous lesson, I am asking the question answer. Look, question number 1. Say the rhyme rainbow. Who can say? Yes. Rainbow, rainbow, I see you. Red and orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. Excellent. Now the next question. What is the after number of 78? Yes. The after number of 78 is 79. Okay. Now the next question. What is the before number of 100? Yes. Before number of 100 is 99. Okay, so 99 is the before number of 100. Now, the next question. What is the between number of 68 and 70? Yes. So, 69 is the between number of 68 and 70. Okay. Now, make sentences. Now, the first word. What I have written here? Yes. The word is bag. So, do you have bag? School bag? Yes. I know all of you have school bag. So, can you make one sentence by using a bag? Yes. I have a nice bag. Or the color of the bag is blue. Okay. Now, the next word. This is what? This is flower. Do you like flower? I also like flower. Now, can you make one sentence by using flower? Yes, I like colorful flowers. Okay. Now, the next word. This is rainbow. So, have you seen the rainbow? Yes. Okay, so can you make one sentence by using a rainbow? Okay, so there are 7 colors in the rainbow. Okay, now dear students, so you will practice this book work at home. Now, I am going to start our today's class. But today also, I am discussing your previous lesson. Okay, now get ready for our today's class. Now, dear students, here we can see what? We can see This is a rainbow. Just I told there are 7 colors in a rainbow. So, can you say the colors name? Yeah. Can you say 7 colors name? Okay. So, red and orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So, there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Okay. Very good. Now, the next picture. How many birds are flying in the sky? Yes. There are 7 birds we can see. Again, all of you counts. Yes, there are 7 birds. Okay. Today again I am going to discuss the topic colors and numbers. Another topic also I am going to discuss. Now again I am giving the clue here. What is this? This is a ball. Do you like to play ball? I know you like this. Okay. So what is the shape? We can see the ball is round. So it is called which shape? The ball is circle in shape. Okay. Now here I am showing another things. What is this? This is a box. Okay. So what is the shape of this box? This is a rectangular in shape. Why? Because here opposite sides are equal. Look, here these sides and opposite sides are equal, and that and this equal. Not all sides are equal. Here opposite sides are equal. So for that the box is rectangular in shape. Okay. So can you guess today which topic? Another topic is yes, shapes. Very good. Now today I am going to discuss about the topic color, numbers and shapes. I know you are practicing this book work at home. Today again I am asking the question answer from these topics. Now dear students, get ready for giving the answer. Let's see our today's class. Now dear students, take out your English CW copy. You write today's date and CW number. Your book, English for today, topic question answer, item discussion on question unit 17 and 21. Again, I am discussing this unit because your exam is near. But today, I'll discuss it in shortly. So here, your topic name is colors. Okay. Now exercise A. Say the rainbow rhyme on page 33 and name the colors in the rainbow and how many colors are there in a rainbow. Already I asked this question. Okay. So there are 7 colors in a rainbow and you have known the colors name also. Now exercise B. Read and color. So we can see that here we can see what? This is a butterfly and here has given some colors name. So according to the colors name, you will color this one. Already you completed this one, I know. But who didn't complete? Please complete now. Now exercise C. Here you will draw a rainbow and you will color it. Look, like this way you will draw a rainbow and you will color it. Okay, now I am going to the next page. Page number 35. So here the topic's name is colors and numbers. Exercise A, count and write. So here we can see some things name. So you will count this and you will write it. So you completed this one, I know. Now again you check your book with me. Okay, exercise A. So you can see how many roses? Yes, we can see here 4 roses. Now the next picture, here we can see how many beds? Yes, there are 7 beds in this picture. And the third picture we can see how many butterflies? Here we can see 6 butterflies are there. And the last one is kites. So how many kites? 3 kites. Now all of you check this with your book. Now exercise B. Look at the pictures in activity A. Count and write the number. Now dear students, again you will see exercise A. And according to the exercise A, you will fill up exercise B. Now the first sentence we can see dash roses are violet. What will be here? 3 roses are violet. Very good. And the next sentence, how many bats are brown? Yes, 4 bats are brown. Now the third picture we can see how many butterflies indigo? 1 butterfly. Very good. And the last sentence, how many kites are violet? Yes, here also 2 kites are violet. Now exercise C. Look at the picture in activity A. Here also you will follow activity A. Now here we can see 1 rose is which color? 1 rose is red in color. Then 2 bats are which color? Blue color. And 3 butterflies are yellow in color. And 1 kite is green in color. Very good. So here we can see 2 questions. How many colors we can see in the rainbow? Yes, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. And the next question, who can say what are the colors in a rainbow? Who can say the colors name again? Yes, the colors names are red, green, orange, indigo, violet, yellow and blue. Okay, now I am showing the another page. Lucky the circle. Okay, so already you completed this one, but now I am asking the question answer from this page of exercise B. Look exercise B. Look at the picture in activity A. Answer the question. So look at the question exercise A and say the answer. What shape is lucky? Yes, lucky is circle in shape. Very good. And what shapes are Shumon and Salam? Here Shumon and Salam are which shape? Yes, are square in shape. Very good. So exercise C, you will color the shapes. Which shapes have straight sides? So already you have known which shapes have straight sides. Yes, rectangle and square. So you color these two shapes. Now another page I am showing here. So we can see here some shapes here. Triangle, square, rectangle and circle. Now exercise B. We can see some questions are there. So now I am asking here, what shapes have 3 sides? So which shape? Look at the picture, exercise A. So we can see triangle has 3 sides. Very good. Now what shapes have 4 sides? So shapes has written shapes. So it will be plural. So 2 shapes will be here. Rectangle and square have 4 sides. Now what shape is round? Which shape is round? Circle. Yes, circle is round in shape. And the last question, what shapes have straight sides? So here we can see which shapes have straight sides. Yes, square and rectangle. Now dear students, I am asking the question answer on unit 17 and 21. Look, question number 1, how many colors are there in the rainbow? Already I asked this question. Okay, and question number 2 also, what are the colors in a rainbow? Already you told this one. So my dear students, you also write this in your CW copy because this is very important for your exam. Now here I am asking the question answer. All of you also read question number 1. What shape is lucky? Who can say the correct answer? Yes, lucky is circle in shape. Now let's see the answer. So lucky's shape is circle. This one also correct. Or if you write lucky is circle in shape, this one also right. Both are correct. Now question number 2. What shapes are Shumon and Salam? So what will be the correct answer? Yes, Shumon and Salam are rectangle in shape? No. Shumon and Salam are square in shape. So let's see this one. Yes, so Shumon and Salam are square in shape. Now, question number 3. What shape has 3 sides? Who can say? This answer is very easy. Yes, triangle has 3 sides. Now let's see. Triangle has 3 sides. So in the exam, you will write this question like this way. Don't write the short question, okay? Full sentence here I am showing. Now the next question, question number 4. What shapes have 4 sides? Okay, so rectangle and square have 4 sides. Now let's see the correct answer. So square and rectangle have 4 sides. Very good. Now question number 5. What shape is round? This answer who can say? Yes. What shape is round? Yes, circle is round in shape. Or you can say circle's shape is round. Okay, now the next question. Number 6. What shapes have straight sides? So already you have known this one. Okay, again I am showing square and rectangle have 3 sides. Now my dear students, so you will practice this question answer at home and you will write this question answer in your CW copy. You will memorize this spelling also, circle spelling, triangle, rectangle and square spelling. Okay, now dear students, I am giving the now feedback. So again I am asking the question answer from our today's class. Okay. Now get ready for giving the answer. Now at first I am asking the make sentences. Can you see? First word what I have written? Yes, this is color. Okay, so can you make one sentence with color? Yes, I like green color. Okay, or there are 7 colors in a rainbow. Very good. Now the next word, this is butterfly. Okay, so can you make one sentence with butterflies? Yes, butterflies are flying in the sky. Or I like butterfly. Okay. Now the next word, this is green. Yes. So I like green color. Or my dress is green in color. Okay. Now the next word. This is rectangle. Can you make one sentence with rectangle? Yes. Rectangle has 4 sides. Very good. Now the last word. This is kite. So do you like to play kite? I know all of you like this one. Okay, now can you make one sentence with kite? Yes. I like to fly kite. Or the kites are flying in the sky. Okay, excellent. Now question answer. Now the question answer, question number 1. What is the shape of buttercup? Yes. The buttercup shape is triangle in size. Okay. Now, the next question. What is the shape of kite? Yes, the kite is also rectangular in shape. Very good. Now, the next question. What is the color of sun? Yes, the sun is yellow in color. Okay. Now, my dear students, you will practice this one at home. Okay. Like this type of questions will give in the exam. So, you will practice this question. The homework. Your homework book English for today. Practice the book works. Learn the question answer on Unit 17 and 21. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Okay, so today I have taken the class from your previous lesson because your exam is near. So you should practice this exercise, book work, dialogue and paragraph. Okay. And be careful about spelling mistake. You will memorize the shapes name, rectangle, triangle, square. This spelling you will memorize. Okay. And again I am telling today which questions I have shown you. So these types of questions we will give in the exam. So you will practice these types of questions. Today that's all from my side. Keep continuing study. Allah Hafiz.